Hi there. Tonight, I'm sharing a quick and easy 5-minute bedtime yoga routine designed especially for women over 40. This routine is perfect for winding down after a long day and preparing your body and mind for a restful night's sleep. If you're struggling with sleep or just need to unwind, this routine is perfect for you. It's gentle, calming, and can be done right in the comfort of your own bed. Let's start by sitting comfortably on your bed, legs crossed. Make sure you're in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. Feel the air filling your lungs and then gently releasing. Let go of any tension from the day. Imagine all your stress melting away with each exhale. First, we'll do some gentle neck stretches. These will help release any tightness in your neck and shoulders. Drop your right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling the stretch on the left side of your neck. Hold this position and breathe deeply. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. This helps to balance the stretch and release tension on both sides of your neck. Remember to keep your breath steady and deep. Breathing deeply helps to calm your nervous system and prepare your body for sleep. Next, let's move into seated forward bend. This pose is great for stretching your back and hamstrings. Extend your legs straight out in front of you. Make sure your spine is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, gently reach for your toes. Feel the stretch along your back and legs. If you can't reach, that's totally fine. Just go as far as you can. The goal is to feel a gentle stretch, not to force your body. The goal here is to relax and release tension in your lower back and hamstrings. Hold this pose for a few breaths. Now let's transition into cat-cow stretches. This dynamic movement helps to mobilize your spine and release tension. Move onto your hands and knees. Make sure your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your head and tailbone. This is cow pose. Feel the stretch in your back and the opening in your chest. Exhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. This is cat pose, and it helps to stretch and strengthen your spine. Repeat this flow a few times, moving with your breath. This helps to create a gentle rhythm and further relax your body. For our next pose, we'll do child's pose. This pose is deeply relaxing and helps to stretch your back and hips. Sit back on your heels, knees slightly apart, and stretch your arms forward, bringing your forehead to the bed. Feel the gentle stretch in your back. Breathe deeply here, feeling your back and shoulders release any remaining tension. Stay in this pose for a few breaths. Finally, let's end with legs up the wall pose. This pose is fantastic for calming the nervous system and promoting deep sleep. Lie on your back, scoot your hips close to the headboard, and extend your legs up the wall. Feel the gentle inversion and relaxation. This pose is fantastic for calming the nervous system and promoting deep sleep. It helps to reduce swelling in your legs and feet. Stay here for a couple of minutes, focusing on your breath. Let your body fully relax and enjoy the stillness. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to unwind and prepare for a restful night. Self-care is so important, and you deserve this time for yourself. I hope this bedtime yoga routine helps you drift off into a deep, rejuvenating sleep. Remember, consistency is key. So try to make this a nightly ritual. Sweet dreams and see you next time. Good night.